I'm Dad.
Hi, I'm Dom.
And this is Friday Workshop.
Brand new week.
Another week. Yeah. How about that?
Woo! We haven't lost the streak yet.
We decided 2021. Well, I mean, you wanted to. This was your idea.
This was my idea.
The 2021, we'd start a YouTube channel of just us making things in the workshop.
Yeah.
So far, we've kind of stuck with woodworking. It'll branch out for sure. We had one electronics episode, I think.
Yeah.
And but it's been pretty good so far. So what are we doing this week?
This week, if you've noticed, we got little spoons over here. We're gonna be making new spoons. So currently, we don't like the plastic ones very much.
Yeah, these are dollar store specials that we have in the kitchen, and I love this container that we got. But the dollar store spatulas and spoons just
they're also getting worse at the ends. If you notice, they're all crusty.
Yeah, they're melting with the heat, and so we're just gonna try something else that's maybe a little disposable, but something we can do ourselves.
Yeah. So
So we bought this template, and this is a wooden spoon, and then Dom's gonna design some new spoon ideas, and he might search some off the internet and do some of his own designs too.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna base it off sort of this basic pattern, and then deviate where Dom's artistic creativity comes in. So should be fun.
So without further ado, here we go. Alright, so today we have GoPro and camera footage. So yeah, we recently got this GoPro, so that's gonna improve the videos by a lot. So let's go ahead and get started. So today we're gonna be drawing like spatulas and spoons. So here we go. We are going to be using this poplar wood than this pine wood, because the pine wood is softer and isn't as strong as the poplar wood. And the poplar wood is grown on trees with leaves, and this one's grown with trees with pines. So that's why it's called pine wood. So the reason that this one is tougher is because it grows slower than this one. This one just grows slow, and this one grows quickly. It doesn't become as strong because it's growing so much faster. So that's why we're gonna be using this poplar wood. So here we go. Alright, so we got this spoon, and this spoon is 10 inches. But we're gonna go for 11 inches because that just barely fits in there. So yeah, we're gonna take this and we're gonna do it at 11. But I don't want to go into a knot because that is not good for me because I'm not very good with knots. So let's flip this around. Put that over there. Okay, keep it on that side. Bring it up to here. And we're gonna mark it at 11 inches for each of them. We're gonna make a mark right inches. Make a red mark right there. And we'll go to 33 inches. And then a mark right there. And then 44 inches. Oh yes, just missing the mark. And make a mark right there. Alright, so we have all our sides marked out, so we're gonna first cut out this side, and then we're gonna tape it together, back together, so, and then we're gonna do the side. We don't want any kickback hitting us, because we don't want to get hurt today. That's tomorrow's problem. So I think we're ready. Here we go.
All right.
Alright, so here are the ideas of before. We're gonna be doing this one right here, and right now we're gonna do this big hole on this one. So that's what we're about to do right over here. That's the setup that we have. So without further ado, here we go.
Tearing out, I'm gonna flip it around and do the other side.
So now we got the big hole in that one. There we go. So in this one, we're gonna make little holes in this spoon. So here we go. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and these are the spoons that we have. We have this one. Well, so far. We need to find on it. But this is what we got so far. Okay. And this one. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and sand down all these finely, so here we go.
All right, so I moved all the saws out of the way.
Yeah, now I'm not gonna die.
Yeah, and this one should be unplugged. Okay. So,
Stay here.
unplug.
Big power.
All right, so that one's unplugged. Okay, I'm gonna do some hand sanding, and Dom is gonna be skating.
Oh, that was so smooth. Have you seen that corner I did? Alright, so here we have our spoons laid out on top of this finishing paper. And for our finishing, we're going to use this walnut oil. This walnut oil is food safe. We would use lacquer, but lacquer is not food safe. So that's why we're going to be using this. And I got it at Walmart, so if you want to pick up one of these, it might be at Walmart, who knows. Nowadays, it might not actually be there now. So we're gonna be putting this on top of these. So, here we go.
So we just put them on these pencils to get them off the table. So they'll be drying for about 5 minutes, and then Dom's gonna wipe them off.
Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and wipe them off. Here we go. Alright, we finished.
We did.
Yeah.
We did. Oh, it smells so good.
I think it smells kind of weird.
I love the smell of walnut oil. I've just found that out.
Yeah.
What an amazing finish to use on food, right? Like an actual food.
Yeah.
I picked mine up at Walmart right next to the olive oil, and 100% walnut oil, great to use. You just wipe it on, it scratches up. Leave it in the kitchen and just throw some more on. You know, a lot of people use it in substitute of an olive oil, but it makes a much better finish than an olive oil. And totally food safe. I mean, you could lick these things and they'd be fine.
You're gonna lick them?
I don't know. I might. they smell delicious.
If one's missing, we'll know who ate it.
Yeah. Yum.
They actually did turn out pretty well, though.
Yeah, and what a new product for that new bandsaw.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Really awesome. Yeah, a fun video, and it may be, because it was just so much fun to do, it may be something that ends up on the Etsy store.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. Comment below if you think this is something that you guys would be interested in.
Yep. Oh, comment down below ice cream potato if you want this to show up.
I'm not going to remember that.
I will remember that. Alright. Ice cream potato, all one word, okay? Alright.
Alright, anything else for this project?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and click that bell notification so that you get updates on our newest content, because we come out with new stuff really regularly, quite often for a new YouTube channel.
So next time, see ya!
See ya.